What's up, sneaker world? It is me, C, back with another video, and I got something that I'm really excited about. It's an oldie but goodie. Just picked this up in the mail, online purchase, and yes, I paid resale for it. Nothing crazy, but still resale. And if you know me, you know I hate resale, paying resale. Alright, but I wanted these. The resale price wasn't that far out of hand. And what I have here is the Air Force One Paraniose 07. Air Force One 07 Paraniose. Apparently these are supposed to be the 2.0. Let's take a look. The Paranoid Air Force One Low G Dragon Peace -1 Paranoise 2.0. Just 12.5, colorway white and black. New, 100% authentic. I should hope so. I can only hope so. And the purchase price was $285. These retailed for $200. So I pretty much paid $80 over retail, and then with shipping and fees, tax $27, shipping $13. Goddamn, Stockx. Stockx, they're some monsters, but what could you do? All right, let's get down to it. Let's get these out of the box. Yo, Stockx is screwing up. These are supposed to have little lacelets in it. Hold on. I gotta send Stockx another email. So why can't I get anything I want the way it should come? Especially paying their fucking fees and shit. It sucks. Alright. This is gonna be a part of the review either way. So let me throw these back in here. Then reach on Stockx customer support. God damn it. All right, so what we have here is the Air Force One Paranoise 2.0 by Korean K-pop artist or pop star G Dragon. All right, so as you can first see, that these come with the super fat laces. already installed black. Comes with like a sample tag, which is like a nice satin finish on the front side. The back side, it feels like it is a sticker material. Like this is probably a sticker, it probably comes off. I don't see how you would wear this. It would drag on the floor. Because it hangs really low. You can see my Stockx tag because I just got it from Stockx. Alright, as you can see, you can look around. This is a shoe that peels away to reveal a bottom layer. Alright. I just got these, but as you can see, if we look close, it's like cracked paint, sort of. And there's fair touches of like cracking on this shoe. I'm trying to be real delicate, but you can probably like Google search or YouTube images of somebody with worn peeling shoes. This is inspired by like Dragon's creative mind. It looks like the bottom of the shoe was like paint was used to step in paint. That's just the look of it, like paintbrush strokes or marker strokes against the midsole. We got a flower embroidered on the tongue, missing one leaf. Same on the second shoe. The insoles are a bit different. One has some red coloring on it. On the inside it says peace -1 with a streak through each word. But that's pretty much it on these. These are pretty straightforward because there's second pair of white laces. It looks like my set is missing the little buttons that would fill one of the eyelets. You can see some cracking there. Just got this from Stockx, so I'm actually like really inspecting it. But I'm gonna send them an email about this with the parts that's missing. But what do you guys think about this? I like the black colorway too. I picked these up because I thought these were actually pretty good, pretty cool, kind of fire. So let me know what you guys think. All right, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Later. Girl, I'm fucking with you.